Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words of the day. So assent, assent, and assent. So assent to express approval. Yes. Let's try and get that. Yes. Yes. This one. Yeah. Approval. Yep. About something. It got royal assent. Got royal assent soon after. Yeah. They wanted them to assent it. I will give it the correct assent. Yes. Yes. We are planning how it can be assented. It needs approval. It needs to be assented. It needs to be assented by the right people. Yeah. How cool is that? So royal assent on the rules. This law got royal assent. Yeah. Now, ascent is to go higher, whether walking or climbing. Like we ascend the mountain. We will ascend the mountain. I want to ascend it now. How can I ascend it? Well, how can I ascend it? Ascent. I want to ascend the mountain. That was their first ascent up the mountain. This ascent will be long and hard. Yeah. How are you going to ascend Snowdonia? How are you going to ascend Snowdonia? Yeah, I thought the ascents would be long and hard. I thought they'd be long and hard, but they were easy. Easy. Yeah. Climbing up the mountain. Yeah, they are ascending the mountain. Yeah, ascending the mountain. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use assent and assent in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. But also by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.